In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract audio in CapCut PC quickly and easily. This is a super useful feature if you want to separate the sound from your video so you can edit it on its own, remove background noise, use the audio in another project, or simply have more control over your timeline. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and create a new project if you haven't already. Once you're inside the editor, import the video you want to work with and add it to the timeline. This is the clip that contains the audio you want to pull out. Now click once on the video clip in the timeline to make sure it is selected. This step is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to work on. If the clip is not highlighted, the option may not apply correctly. After that, right-click on the selected video clip. A menu will appear with several editing options. From this menu, look for the option that says Extract Audio and click it. CapCut will instantly separate the audio from the video. Once you do that, you'll notice the audio appears as a separate track directly below the video clip in the timeline. The original video remains in place, but now the sound is completely independent, which means you can trim it, delete it, move it, or edit it however you want without affecting the video itself. This is especially helpful if you want to use only the audio, add music underneath it, clean up dialogue, or sync it with other clips. You can now drag the audio track, cut it into sections, or apply audio effects just like any other sound file in CapCut. And that's it. You've successfully extracted audio in CapCut PC. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time during editing. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.